In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Tradingview chart not moving. If your chart looks frozen or isn't updating, it's usually because you're not in the full chart view or you're on a time frame that updates too slowly. Follow along and we'll get your chart moving again. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. This puts you on the official platform with all the tools you need. Give the page a moment to load fully so real-time data and interface elements can populate correctly. If you see a landing page layout with widgets and watch lists, you're in the right place. Next, look to the right side of the screen and select a symbol from your watch list. Click on something actively traded like a major index, stock, or currency pair, especially during market hours. Choosing a liquid symbol helps you confirm that the platform is delivering fresh data. If you don't have a watch list yet, you can use the search bar to find any symbol and then pick it from the results. The key is to make sure you've actually highlighted the symbol you want to view. Now, click Full Chart. This is important. The preview cards and compact views can appear static or limited, and they don't always behave like the main chart. Full Chart opens Tradingview's full-featured interface with live updates, drawing tools, indicators, and proper navigation. Once it opens, you should see the latest candle on the right edge and the full toolbar across the top. At the top of the chart, click on the time frame selector. This control typically shows options like 1M, 5M, 15, 1H, 4A, 1D, and so on. If your chart looks stuck, you might be on a larger interval that only prints a new bar every hour, day, or even month. That can make the chart appear motionless until the next bar completes. Select a smaller interval, for example, switch to 1 minute or 5 minutes to see more frequent updates. On a smaller time frame, the chart advances with each new bar, so price action becomes much more visibly dynamic. If the market for your chosen symbol is open, you'll notice the latest bar updating at the cadence of your selected interval. If the market is closed, a smaller interval still helps you verify that the interface is responsive, and you can return when the session opens to see live movement. That's it. By going to Tradingview, choosing your symbol on the right, opening Full Chart, clicking the time frame at the top, and selecting a smaller interval, you'll quickly resolve most cases where the chart seems stuck. Thanks for watching and happy charting.